Good morning! I love pickleball. Yeah, pickleball. If you have nothing to do out there, you play pickleball. Especially those seniors there, senior citizens. Pickleball improves cardio fitness. Enhance memory. Enhance your memory. Stops. Oh, it sharpens reaction time. Pickleball sharpens reaction time. It boosts coordination. Reduces daily stress, which is very important. We don't want stress in our life. Burns calories efficiently and strengthens muscles. Pickleball enhances balance and builds mental focus. And pickleball supports healthy aging. It delays your aging. Hindi ka old ka agad. Okay, if you have nothing to do at home, let's play pickleball. I love playing pickleball.